Okay, hey there, I'm John Gibbons and I'm going to show you how I organize my shipping center into a more functional, easy to use setup. You may have seen my other organizational video on how I had all my boxes set up, but now I've got everything I need to pack and ship in one central location. Okay, so I built my countertop out of melamine. It's like a plastic covered particle board, and it gives it just a nice, smooth, clean working surface. And then I put a hefty piece of steel under here. I think it's 1.5 by 1.5 by 1/8 inch thick, and that made it really sturdy. And I avoided using 2x4s for my shelves so that I'd have just a little more room to slide all these boxes in. If you saw my other video, you remember all my boxes were stacked up horizontally, and they'd always fall over and hard to get out. So this is much more organized and easier to work with. And then I took all the scrap from the melamine and I built this shelf. So I've got everything I need right here, my label printer, my tape. So then I had to get even more boxes and shipping, and I've organized them vertically, or they're horizontal, easier to get out. So I used to have my bubble wrap on the floor, and I would just kind of pull it and it would get all dirty, and it was just a pain. So I fabbed up this bubble wrap dispenser, and I've got it up on this hefty 1-inch plywood, and when I need to refill the bubble wrap, I can just slide it off like this and then put it back up here. I had to figure out a way to get this pipe here to not come off but still be able to pivot. So I put 2 bolts on either side, and that seems to do the trick. Okay, so I hope you have learned a lot and have been inspired on how to build your own packing center. I've got all my goods packed up in here, and I'm almost finished installing my peanut funnel, which will get my peanut bags off the floor, and I'll be able to dispense them into my boxes that I'm shipping. So if you got any questions, leave them below. Please subscribe, and I'm John Gibbons. Have a great day.